we are with the rules of surds and indices. So let's start. Rules for indices and surds. There we are. In this one, we're gonna learn the rules, the set rules that we need to understand and work with the indices and surds maths. So the first one that comes to my mind is, let's give it a star. Well, when a to the power m multiplied with a to the power m, my bad, it's n. Okay, the bases are same but the powers are different, and it has a multiplication sign. So in that case, the result would be a m plus n. We have to sum it up. Okay, the next rule, a to the power m divided by a to the power n. Okay, so how can we write it? A to the power m, it can be also written as like this, right guys? Okay, equals a to the power m minus n. So divide sign, it means minus, multiplication means plus. Okay, another one, a to the power what happened? Okay, a to the power m. Okay, this whole thing is to the power by, say, 5. Okay, so the end result would be a to the power 5m, but it's basically 5 multiply m. Okay, it's basically 5 multiplied by m. Okay, so it's gonna be this. That's one. Let's see what else do we have. Okay, if root over a is written, we can write that as a to the power 1 by 2. This 1 by 2 means this root over. Okay, this square root means something to the power 1 by 2. Also, if this comes in like square root 5a, that simply means a to the power 5 by 2. You know how? It's because a to the power half, my bad, a to the power half, this total multiplied by 5, this 5, okay, that equals to a to the power 5 by 2, simply. Okay, now if I were to simplify this, if m root a, that's gonna be a to the power m by 2. Okay, that's it. One more thing, let's what happened to my line, man? I have to draw a straight line, come on. Okay, that's a straight line. NBM, if a, if 1 to the power, if something is written like 1 to the power a, that means a to the power minus 1. Okay, all right. Also, if I write like a to the power minus 2, suppose, okay, that can be written as 1 by a square. Okay, this minus here means a is the denominator. Okay, that's it. And you have to remember something, this golden rule is like, never ever, if this, okay, let me write one more rule for you. I forgot one more rule. Okay, multiply b to the power m. The bases are different. Okay, so in that sense you can write ab whole to the power m. Okay, that should be it. And there is no rule for, there isn't any rule for a to the power m plus a, I mean b to the power m not equals to, I said not equals to, remember, a b to the power m. Okay, never ever do that. Or say a to the power m plus a to the power n, that's not equals to, do not do that. Okay, do not do that, never. It's a warning for you. That's more like it, the rules for surds and indices. I think you will, you know you will be able to solve those maths pretty easily, I guess. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Okay, there is one more rule that I sort of missed. Like, okay, I don't want you guys to mess up, so I want to repeat. A to the power n divided by b to the power n, that equals to a by b whole to the power n. Okay, so it's the same thing that we had over there. So it's basically the same thing like that, this thing. So yeah, also I want to add something, that the square root one, remember, I want to add something with that, the square root thing. I want to add something. If m and a to the power, say, n, okay, so that's basically gonna be a to the power, tell me what's gonna be, what's inside, n divided by m. Okay, that's gonna be it. And this is gonna be 1 by m. That's it. Whatever stays outside becomes the denominator of the power. Whatever stays inside becomes the numerator. Okay, that's how it works. So these are the rules basically. And okay, one golden rule that I forgot to mention is something to the power 0. Anything to the power 0 means 1. Okay, it's anything. It can be anything. It also can be infinity to the power 0. It would be 1. Anything to the power 0 is 1. And you have to make sure that you don't, mess it up, because it is one rule that we always forget. Okay, so that's more like it. That's done. Okay, I deliberately missed something. Do you recognize anyone throughout the video? My most intelligent student? That this thing is not gonna be this, right? Anyone who got this up? It's gonna be 1 by 5. It's basically gonna be 1 by 5, nothing else. Okay, so that's it. Revise the formulas yet again. These are the formulas total. So yeah, we're done today. Thanks. And who got this? Let me know in the comments. Who got this? My best student? Who got this? Most intelligent student that I have. I don't know whom. Let me know in the comments.